As you can see, we got all these amazing settings for farming, guys. So just click enable farming, enable auto equip. Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how I got Fisch Macro script and everything auto without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device, guys. It's absolutely free, safe and online, and it's most important thing, it's undetectable. So guys, you won't never get banned for this, and you can every time disable it from your account. So I will show you step by step how you can get this for your account. So just follow my steps, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So guys, you can also do it with your PC. So go to Google or any browser you got, navigate to this website bloxforge.com and click on Delta Executor tool. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. Guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just log into your roblox.com on browser, log into your account and go to copy your account link. So as you can see, I have already logged. So just copy your link, click copy. Let's get back and then click there to paste this link, and this tool will automatically scrape your user ID. So click continue, guys, and it's really important to find our user account. Nice, user found, guys. So second step is to import Delta Executor to our account, guys. Just click this button. And really important step for our Fisch Macro and Fisch script is to select the scripts that you want to pre-install or our Delta Executor. So guys, select this Forge Hub. It's really important for Fisch Macro. So I will select this name hider. You can also select whatever you want, but Forge Hub is most important thing for our Fisch. As you can see, we're band protected, and click continue, guys. So as you can see, API is connected, and we will wait for this third step, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of tutorials and reviews in same time. So yeah, nice, guys. API is connected, our user account is connected, and guys, activation key is generated. As you can see, we got our Delta Executor activation key for free. Nice. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and we will get redirected into manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Delta Executor with key on our account, guys. And then we will test Fisch Macro script and does it actually work. So we will have a list of 6 free tasks here, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list, guys. So make sure to complete 2 tasks from this list by your choice. The best thing you can do, for my opinion, is to download games and apps. So in this case, I will download now Dice Dreams and TikTok. So click free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. So guys, if you're using your Android phone, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS phone, it will start downloading from the App Store. So it's from the official publishers, and it's absolutely free and safe. So it's really important to follow the instructions. So guys, for Dice Dreams, I will download it and install and then run and restore Kingdom 6. So click free, click go, and it will start downloading. So for TikTok, I will click free, click download, and I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So it should redirect us every single second, so we will wait. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys, our user ID and our Delta Executor key, but it's now revealed, guys. Nice. So the last step is to open our Roblox and to test our Fisch Macro and Fisch Auto Farms. and everything we wanted. So click on play, guys. Let's see, are we actually receiving delta executor along this fish macro and fish script. So yeah, okay, nice, guys. As you can see, we got our delta executor. So let's see our pre-installed scripts. Nice, there we go. Universal name header as we selected and Forge Hub as we selected. So let's click execute, guys, and let's see, does it work? Nice, game detected fish. Now, guys, I will show you how you can use this fish macro and fish script. So as you can see, we got all these amazing settings for farming, guys. So just click enable farming, enable auto equip, and all these settings, guys, it works amazing. As you can see, I selected everything. Yeah, so it works amazing, guys. It works solo, and you can play with the settings. You have really much settings. You have settings for items, teleport. As you can see, teleport is also working amazing. I don't know where I am. So yeah, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to get updated with all these kind of tutorials. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.